Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on August 24th, 2020. Johnson Johnson borrows money to buy Momenta. Johnson Johnson, American developer of medical devices, pharmaceutical and consumer goods, took a decision to use its top AAA credit ratings to borrow $7.5 billion for its buyout of Momenta Pharmaceuticals, Inc. J&J is the only other major U.S. corporation aside from Microsoft Corp still carrying top AAA credit ratings, which is the highest possible score in consumer credit. It means that the company should have access to cheaper funding than companies with lower credit ratings and which are considered a higher default or a downgrade risk. The new financing mostly will be used to purchase Momenta in a cash valuing at $6.7 billion. According to the agreement, Johnson Johnson will pay $52.50 for each outstanding Momenta share. The deal is expected to close in the second half of 2020. Nippon Paint sells its shares to raise more funds. Japanese paint products manufacturing company Nippon Paint Holdings Co., Ltd. announced a plan to sell 1.185 trillion yen, $11.2 billion worth of shares to Singapore's Wuthelam Group, increasing the latter's stake to around 60% from current 39%. Nippon Paint said it will use the funds raised as well as 100 billion yen in cash to buy out Wuthelam from their Asian joint ventures in countries including China, Malaysia, and Thailand, as well as acquire Wuthelam's wholly owned business in Indonesia in a 1.285 trillion yen deal. The Japanese company said it expects to close the deal in January, also adding that it will need to be cleared by regulators in each of the markets where the business operates. Baowu Group gets 51% stake in steel giant Tisco. China Baowu Steel Group, the state's top steelmaker, takes a controlling stake in stainless steel giant Taiyuan Iron and Steel Group Co., Ltd., also known as TISCO, in a move to further consolidate the biggest Chinese sector. Baowu Group reached an agreement with Shaanxi State-Owned Capital Operation Co., Ltd. to take a 51% stake in TISCO. According to a filing on 10 Shenzhen Stock Exchange by Shaanxi Taiyuan Stainless Steel, this stake is worth 14.5 billion yen, $2.10 billion. The deal will also make China's state-owned Asset Supervision and Administration Commission as indirect shareholder in TISCO via its 100% ownership of Baowu.